Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nandito kami sa school. Then guys, nandito kami din sa principal office. Check kami. Ayan. Andun guys. Nandito kami kasi wala pa natapos naman sa work. And nandito kami sa school. Bago lang kami tapos. May natapos sa umaga yung volleyball, and it's a fun, and we enjoyed it so well. And ako, nasa din and guys, champion kami, winner kami sa volleyball, basketball, sa demo or play demo, and some vocal solo and duet yan kasi and we enjoy guys na saya pala akong mag-interest kaya elementary and guys naman pa namin at kaya namin ang bukas na para manalo at okay lang kung nalos kayo guys. So guys, it's a year naman para sa fun lang and some enjoyment para magmukhang and some grades or whatever it takes. And guys, kailangan dapat the best kailangan ka dapat para and ito ang and it's so guys, nandito kami sa principal office. And ayan. So guys, nandoon ka. And support naman kami sa team naman. And ang gusto lang namin, makakaya ang gusto namin. And it's a purpose. So guys, that is for today. We enjoy our intramurals 3 days. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bye-bye.